Well, my boy Genius came through with, um, yeah, the previous video regarding the Kirby G10D Sentria that I picked up from the Goodwill for $9.99. With, what do I have? $17 from the Vac and Sew store there in Niles, next to the Goodwill that I didn't pick it up from. It's from the South Bend one. But, yeah, carpet prior, carpet after. Well, what did I do? I put sodium bicarbonate down. I found the cheapest sodium bicarbonate's a baking section. Actually, I didn't find at the Myers or Walmart the larger 3-pound bags anymore of the sodium bicarbonate, only the sodium carbonate washing soda. So anyways, I went through and put a box down just to deodorize and, neutralize the carpet. Well, I totally forgot. I got all excited. I got the belt in. I got the new bags. And, dude, I forgot to clean the brush. The brush was really gross. I'm going to pause this. I knew the inside shell was gross, and I cleaned it halfway, not so great. And I just got through paint scraping it. The interior logs are still corrosion stuff built up, and I washed it, mineral oil, did the same thing. Actually, I didn't have to paint scrape. I just scraped carefully with a toothbrush, the brush and the vacuum cleaner, and actually the plastic too around the rim. Anyways, I'm going to pause this, and then I'll go over to, I'll start back up at the vacuum. But yeah, clean your vacuum brush before you go through. This is now, hopefully tomorrow I get the attachment with the washer, the shampoo or something, but yuck. Yeah, I gotta spray that down with isopropyl alcohol and some silver enzyme I got left. But anyways, pausing those. Okay. I'm actually looking at this and I'm like, I forgot to clean the bottom of this also. So I'm gonna have to clean that next. I'm glad I documented this. And then I'm kind of almost wondering what's going on with this bar, taking that off, completely wire brushing that, because that also might be where some of the discoloration is coming from, because that's mineral oil washed, washed, mineral oil coated, but there's still that, probably needs to be brushed down a little better and polished, because that's probably going to be, um, discoloring from that rust that's still residually on there. Yeah, this is cleaned up pretty well. It was a little grosser. Had some layers of crud. This was really gross. The plastic's still kind of gross, actually. I could probably do a little better job cleaning the outside in it. It's a little lazy. Mainly, I just wanted to get around the what would be, touching the carpet. So I set both sides, because the sides were at different settings, to 1. You can see. So they're both at a 1 setting now. So the brush looks like it's long enough where I can go 1, 2, and 3. So that's cool. It's a new brush. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean a little more of this. And I didn't notice this. I didn't really think about it. I'm going to take that off completely, and then I'm thinking I'll probably wire brush that, try to polish that up. That might be what's discoloring also. Yeah, maybe the bottom side a little bit too. But man, it works really good. Sucks awesome even without the brush. And with the brush, I was, whatever vacuums, the 2 Dysons I have in that other one, they're not picking up what this thing was picking up. So this is actually an impressive vacuum. Glad I found. I almost want to consider maybe investing in another one for a gift or something. So, but anyways, I found an awesome deal, man. Really cool gal. I guess she's selling it for her aunt or something like this, and she's willing to sell me just the attachments. She gives me an idea. I might get the whole thing just so I have a backup, but definitely getting the attachments tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, 4 minutes long. I don't need to go any longer. Be safe. Stay healthy. Try to reuse. Don't repurpose unless you have to, but restore and rescue what you can, especially if it's made in the USA and high quality.